Wordsmith is a fully integrated program for reading comprehension, speaking and listening, grammar and writing, designed to ensure progress for every child. The Wordsmith Pupil World is the place that your child will log into to read books that have been allocated to them by their teacher. It is also where they can access rewards. Children earn rewards when they open the books. Once children have logged into the Pupil World, they'll arrive at the Pupil Home. Children can personalise their home screen by choosing a world. The worlds differ depending on key stage, but include Book World, Race World, and Future World. To see the books and resources that have been allocated to your child, go to My Stuff. And when you find the Wordsmith icon, go to Open to open each book. You can navigate through the book by clicking the arrows at the side or the arrows at the bottom. You can also zoom in on areas. You can use single page view, and you can make notes and doodles on the books. To close the book, go to the black cross in the corner. My Library is a store of old resources. This is where the resources go when they are deallocated. My Rewards is where children go to select their rewards. They can also customize avatars, decorate a treehouse, play games and more. As with the Pupil home screens, these vary according to key stage. The more books children read, the more rewards they can unlock and buy.